Hi everyone, today I want to show you our new December sew-along design. It's a beautiful table runner. I was given the brief to design something that would be suitable for Christmas, New Year, or perhaps any time of the year. So I've come up with this beautiful flip and fold. It looks like a traditional quilt. This part, actually the whole thing does, because there's no satin stitch, it's all flip and fold. We've got a beautiful double stippling in the background, which you can do 2 different colours or 1 colour. We've made ours in bright colours that we thought could be used all year round, but you could do it in Christmassy colours or more muted colours, whatever is your personal taste. It also comes free with this beautiful champagne add-on block. You could add that into your table runner as is with the trees, or you can just make a table runner with the champagne glasses. So we thought that would suit New Year. Sew Along starts on the 2nd of December. We'll be giving you a 30% discount off the design if you use the code that's in the pinned post at the top of the Facebook group, which is the December Sew Along group. We have heaps and heaps of great prizes, so don't forget to post your photos in the group, enter the competition, and the Sew Along ends on Christmas Eve. So have fun.